Pacific War break out, American bombers would need to conduct numerous attacks against enemy missile and air defense outposts in the Western Pacific. What outpost would the country use itself? Well, you may never have heard of it, but the answer is Wake Island, a tiny coral island deep in the Pacific that would be the final American outpost in the region, providing the necessary resources to get bombers ready to do what they are best at. Despite being a mere 12 feet above sea level, Wake Island's remote location, approximately 2,300 miles west of Honolulu and 2,000 miles southeast of Tokyo, makes it a crucial asset for the United States' presence in the Pacific. The island has been a part of the United States since 1899 and remained largely uninhabited, aside from the occasional castaway or stranded crew. But this lasted only until the late 1930s, when the United States placed a small Marine garrison on the coral outpost. During World War II, Wake Island was the site of intense fighting between Marine elements and the Japanese, and since then has been significantly developed. It now boasts a runway that is almost 10,000 feet long, capable of accommodating all currently used United States aircraft. Should a conflict arise, American bases on more proximal islands like Guam or Okinawa could face significant challenges in defending against hostile missile attacks due to their proximity to Asia. And although both islands have missile defense systems, they could be overwhelmed by a large missile. In contrast, Wake Island's distance from Asia makes it more difficult to target. States ground-based mid-course defense missile intercept system on the said island provides a larger flight envelope than its counterparts. But what's also important to note is that although the United States has the largest military budget, maintains the most military bases around the world, and has the largest number of troops in foreign countries, it may avoid a direct military confrontation in the South China Sea. The United States may only choose to exert political and diplomatic pressures or adopt Cold War strategies instead, as it is aware of the potential consequences of a conflict. It is apprehensive about expanding it into other regions, which could trigger a Third World War.